and welcome to Mentor MMA channel. In today's video on Excel, we will show you how you can adjust width of your columns. And the example that we are using is this data where you can see that some data is cut out and the others are not. So if you need to make these adjustments, the easiest or the first option that comes to your mind is that you simply go here. So in middle of, if you keep at the edge of two columns, you will see your arrow changing into left and right arrow pointed. One option is that you click your mouse and hold your mouse clicked and drag it. So this will change your column width. You can increase or decrease whatever you want to do. You can do that. This is the easiest one that most of people do, but the thing is, if you have a lot of columns, then this is quite some effort, and you need to see where you have the largest data and figure it out, scroll further down and all that. If you want to avoid that, there is an easy option possible. What you do is you select all columns like this, and you have to select from the columns on top of here, not the data only. You select all columns and then keep in middle of any two columns where you see these left and right arrows, and click once, click twice, and your data is now in nicely spread over columns with width that is fitting into each column's data. Now, in some other cases, you might need equal width for all columns. That is also possible. With Excel, you can simply go on and right click, and here you would find an option called column width. If you need all columns to have equal width, like same width, then you can do this. You can go to column width and say, let's, for example, 11 width, which is too small for this one. So we can go again, do it 22. And now you see all columns are of same width. So it depends how you want to present your data. Sometimes data is in a shape that it looks better with equally spread columns. In that case, you could use that column width option. Otherwise, you can use the other option where each column is put in a width that supports the data within that column, but you will have columns with different widths. So these were the column width quick tips that we wanted to share in this video, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.